yeah. My geometry class is going to be doing a ratios and proportions lesson. So, if you are interested in ratios and or proportions, comment down below if you are okay. Comment down below if you are wanting to learn more about ratios and proportions. Okay, no. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, I know I can't read small. So, okay. So, so, yeah, what I have here, April 10, 2026, period 1 overview. The 7-1 discussion, we already did that. We're going to do the notes of 7-1, ratios and proportions. And then, we're going to possibly do a vocab if we have time. Okay? So, okay. Okay, so I'm going to erase this overview because we're going to do the discussion part of it. Okay, I'm going to move this for now. Okay. So, huh? Okay. No, okay. So, okay. So, ratios and proportions. We're going to learn what we reviewed. What we learned in like 7th grade, maybe 8th grade. So, this lesson is particularly for review. So, okay. Okay. So, now we're getting into the big stuff. So, the algebra and this normal part here is, okay. I thought I just saw something on my phone. Okay, so, okay. What the earth? Okay, hi. I'm one TK Dinley. Okay, hi. Yes, I know. So, yes, I'm teaching my high school geometry class right now, but this is for review for my other students. So, let's see. Yeah, one. Okay, that ain't my name. Cupcake Slover Gamer 1234. Hi. What? Oh no. Okay. So, what you want to show? Okay. Okay. So, okay. Speaking of which, yeah. So, this is particularly this lesson 4. Okay. So let's take 10 boys and the other one could be 14 apples. Wait, 20 apples. For algebra, we would put B over A. One thing to note that I keep at the top of my head is I would always divide by the easiest number yet. So 10. The zeros toss out, leaving B over 2A. Okay. So, if you want to learn more about ratios and proportions, like down below and subscribe. So, yes, speaking of which, this is my 6th live. Hold on just a second. I'm back. This is not the end of a live, so let's see. Cupcake Lover Gamer 1 2 3 4 5. What the earth? 23 people. Okay. So thank you. Okay, so each board gets 2 apples. So if you saw one of my shorts that said Thomas 5 apples and he gives Sarah 3 apples, it's actually 2. Now what? Mine hacker crafter working RN. Okay. So I don't think game brain while I'm teaching. So let's take S2 3T. So S is going to be, okay, so comment down below what S word that you thought of, not a curse word. So S or T. Yeah, I'm giving you like a minute or two. Okay. So, comment down below what one F word it might be and what T word might be, not a curse word. Huh? Okay. 3 likes. Okay. So, yes. As you all might see, yeah, I'm gonna put students right, trees, and shrubs, which are like bushes. So, the missing part, we're trying to get to 24 teeth. Like, how many S's? Okay, so, work out the math. So, like, how many? Okay. Camden Trent. Camden Trent. Okay, hi. Yeah. Okay. So here's one hint that you might not know of, but you might want to divide 24 by 3 to get the number of S's. If you thought that the answer is 8, then you're correct. So 8 S's make up 24 T. So 8 shrubs make up 24 trees. Okay. So this is what we might work on. Like, this might be algebra. So, I think you might get scared of this, but I'm actually going to be putting on a video for my class to watch. But if you want to watch it, shoot. If you want to watch it, wait, no, never mind. Okay, so ratios and proportions, wait, what? Okay, ratios and proportions are kind of the same thing, but they're fractions. So, okay. So you might see something like this. I have 47 minutes to teach my geometry people today because the bell's going to ring at 9:40. I usually ring the bell. So, you might see something like this. Okay. So, what you might see here is 7a to 56o. So, yes, as you all might be wondering, yes, today is Friday, which means I wear pink on Fridays. Okay, so what I would do is I would divide by 7. We would leave A to 8 oranges. A is apples, O is oranges. Okay, so we might do the vocabulary. Okay. I am now back. So, okay. So now we're just going to be doing ratios and proportions of triangles. So, this might confuse you all. Okay. So, let's start off with ratios. Okay, so here is ratios. A and B. This one means 2. This one is A over B. This one also means 2. And this also means to divide. This is what I would call a proportion. Like what I've been showing you as a proportion. So, A divided by B is equal to C over D. So, yes. And also, here we have kind of like a triangle. 3x. Okay. So we also have 4x. And we have 5x. So we do not need to find out x. But for the triangle ratio, it's A to B to C. This also is 3 to 4 to 5. It doesn't matter what you put as A, B, or C. You just have to put it in the right spot. You don't have to put it in the right spot. But you could do 3, 4, 5. 4, 3, 5. 4, 5, 3. 5, 3, 4. And 5, 4, 3, which is what I normally use. So if you couldn't see this right now, I'm sorry, but you might either have to zoom in or... Okay. So, let's move on to one of the example problems that I've been showing here. So, okay. So here is another part. So here are proportions so here are proportions that I'm gonna walk you through. Okay. So we have a 6 over x. Okay. Hold on. So we're gonna solve the proportions. So we have 6 over x is equal to 21 over 31 and a half. And we have x plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 4x divided by 5. Okay. So, so what I'll do, 3 over 4 times 2 over 5, that'll give us the 6 over 20, or 3 over 10. But that's not the correct answer. Okay. So I think I know what to do. So, how many times does 6 go into 21? Oh, let's test. So we have 6, 12, 18, 24. 21 fits in there. Like 3.5 times. So we're going to do 31 and a half divided by 3.5. I'm going to use mine. So 31 and a half divided by 3.5. We would get 9. So what I'm trying to tell you all So what I'm trying to tell you is that we could simplify proportions and solve proportions and do anything with proportions. Okay? Okay. So we have 6 over 9. Is equal to 21 over 31 and a half. But we could also simplify that to 2 over thirds. Because 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now let's move on to the second. So, So another way for me to do this is how I would cross multiply. If you like cross multiplying, leave a like down below. Okay, so if you like cross multiplying, leave a like down below and comment that you love cross multiplying. Like if you don't, that's okay. So let's see. So we also have 21x. So we're going to cross multiply it, which is 21x equals 189. We divide both by 21, leaving x equals 9. And here's a easy way, kind of. Okay, so we're going to do 8x equals 5x plus 3. Okay, the video that made this lesson kind of got it wrong. Okay, so we would read 8x equals 5x plus 15. Because 5 times 3 is 15. Now we're going to subtract 5x. We're going to subtract 5x. Now we're going to leave 3x is equal to 15. Divide those by 3. X equals 5. Okay, so if you not pay attention very well, then you would get 5 over 3, like you forgot the other one for 15. Okay. So that's all that I'm going to show you today. Thanks for watching. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment. My next live will be in about an hour from now. So, okay. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment. And thank you all for supporting my comment and supporting my channel. I have 123 subscribers. Maybe more. Thank you.